This video will explain the step-by-step installation process of D3D Smart IP camera with one-touch Wi-Fi setting. Installation process is very easy and takes only 5 minutes. Make sure of the following. Your smartphone should be connected to Wi-Fi network and you know your Wi-Fi password. Make sure there should not be any special character in Wi-Fi password. D3D 6026 IP camera is supplied with power adapter, 1 bracket, 1 door sensor, 1 remote, 1 pack of screw, 1 user manual. Download UC Mobile application from App Store or Play Store. Open the UC Mobile application and click on Register. Enter a valid email ID and password. Click on Register button. After successful registration, Register Successful message will be shown. Log into mobile application, using registered email ID and password. Now power on your camera. Camera will make 360-degree rotation. You will hear the beep sound. If you do not hear the beep sound, reset your camera. Now reset your camera, insert pin into reset hole and keep it pressed until you hear
Reset to default setting.
Insert memory card in the camera.
Waiting for configuration.
To install IP camera, go to mobile app, click on plus sign, choose add new device. Now click on Smart Link. Enter your Wi-Fi password and click on Next. You should now hear a beep sound from camera. When hear a beep sound, click on Hear a connection. I will start making sound. Keep your mobile phone near to camera.
Start configuration.
On the next screen, enter your camera name. To camera password which is written at bottom of camera and click on Save button. Now scroll down to refresh, check camera is online. On camera to see live videos. Let's start to configure sensor with 6026 IP camera. Step 1, go to alarm setting, and activate the receive alarm and buzzer option. Step 2, go to add sensor menu, and click the plus sign against sensor option. On pop-up window, click on confirm. Now activate the sensor. Sensor will be added successfully. To activate remote control, click the plus sign against remote control option. On pop-up window, click on confirm. Now press any remote button. Remote will be added successfully. To test sensors, click on defense button. Alarm system activated icon will be displayed on left side of the screen. Now activate the sensor. Buzzer will sound from camera, and notification alert will be received on mobile phone. Click on defense button to deactivate the alarm. Security alarm function can also be controlled using remote control. To activate system, click on lock button of remote control. Now activate the door sensor. To stop alarm, click on Unlock button of remote control. Installation of D3D IP camera is now completed.